Okay, everyone, I had to do this video to show a comparison with polyester and cotton t-shirt. This shirt I made last June. This shirt I made 2 weeks ago. This shirt I made for New Year's 2022. See, with regular cotton, the shirt fades. These don't fade. This is polyester. The higher the count of the polyester, the better the shirt, the better the outcome, the vibrant the colors. So when you do sublimation, it's a special ink, special paper, special ink. And then it's infused through heat press. The ink infused into the fabric and it stays permanent. You can wash it a dozen times and it won't come off. With this cotton, see that? It's faded. I only wore it one time and then I washed it. I just washed it. And it's faded. Colors faded out. And it wasn't that bright when I actually pressed it. I made this June of last year, 2021. I washed it multiple times. I wore it multiple times. The colors are still vibrant. This was last year's Juneteenth mask. I only wore it once because it was just for a special day, and I washed it. It's my socks. These socks are polyester socks. If you can read this, send more crab legs. Yes, I am a seafood fanatic. 2022. I only wore it twice, so it was washed twice. This was washed once. This was made last year, 2021, and washed multiple times because I wore it multiple times. So no matter how many times you wash a sublimation shirt, if it's on polyester, it stays bright. No fading. Don't waste your money, people, because I'm not going to do it. I'm going to let you know. I'm not pressing any shirt that's not a high count polyester. I'm not going to do it because you're going to waste your money. And then I don't want you displaying my work, walking around with my work, saying Tillery's Boutique made this because you wanted to go the cheap route. I don't want to do that. And then they're going to see my work and see how it's fading and it's not a good job. And I don't want that. That's not the reputation I have. Cut the corners. I'm not cutting corners. No cotton. I mean, if it is cotton, then it should be more polyester in percentage than it is cotton. The higher the count in polyester, the better. The better the outcome. These shirts are from Cricut. So Cricut has 95% polyester. This t-shirt. This t-shirt I bought from Foreman Mills. This t-shirt I bought from Cricut. Okay, guys, I'm letting you know. This last chance. Last time I'm going to say, don't waste your money on anything that isn't polyester. Polyester is the way to go when you're doing a sublimation project. January, 2 weeks ago, only washed once. Last year's shirt. Washed multiple times, wore multiple times. Last year around June, I made this shirt. Okay, peace and blessings from Tillery's Boutique.